Okay. Good morning, children. My dear 7th class students. The exercise 1 fraction chapter. 7th problem, page number 30. Here, they gave one rectangle and a triangle. The problem is in textbook is there. Once you read that problem, what is given there means one rectangle and triangle is there. The triangle is overcome of the rectangle, and they give the measurements of that triangle, all sides, and one of the side is also a length of the rectangle is given A, B, C, D, E. So AB length 1/3 centimeters, BE length 1/5 centimeters, AE length 2/3 centimeters, DE length 2/3 centimeters. The problem is in your textbook is there. Children, what you have to find out? Find the perimeters of the both triangle and rectangle, and also which perimeter is more, either rectangle or triangle we have to find out. And what is the difference? Once you read that problem from your textbooks, the textbooks is must should be need. Without textbook we can't move that one, children. Without textbooks, please look at here. Now, what is that? First of all, I will go for triangle. Perimeter of the triangle ABE. Perimeter means we have to find the sum of the length of all sides. Perimeter means sum of the length of the all sides. So triangle ABE means AB plus BE plus AE. AB plus BE plus AE. That means triangle ABE means AB plus BE plus EA. AB means what is that? 1/3 centimeters. BE length is 1/5. EA length what is that? 2/3. I wrote it. That all mixed fractions are given. That mixed fractions convert into the improper fractions. How can I convert 1/3 means 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10/3 plus 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11/5. Next 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14/3. Now we should add all that 10/3, 10/5, 14/3. Before we add, what we want to do, first of all, what is the process by adding of the fractions? First make it LCM of denominators. What are the denominators LCM? 3, 5, 3. 3, 5, 3. LCM of 3, 5, 3 means there are 2 3s are there. It goes in 3 table. In 3 table, 3 ones, 5 it won't go. The same 5 is brought down, and again 3 ones, 3. Then still won't go. Then what is that LCM? 3 into 1 into 5 into 1. Already you know that about LCM. 3 into 1 into 5 into 1. 3 into 1 into 5 into 1. What is that? 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 15 ones are 15. Yes. Now I will go for that. 10/3 plus 11/5 plus 14/3 is equal to, and what is that? LCM is 15. I wrote that LCM. That means the 3, 5, 3 becomes 15. So what is the least common multiple of 3, 5, 3 means 15. That means 3 becomes 15, 5 becomes 15, 3 becomes 15. Now, once you see that, these all I make it that equivalent fractions, that means like fractions. Look at here, 3 becomes 15 means, what happened here? 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. So, if 3 multiply with 5 to get 15 only. With the same, the numerator also should multiply with the same number, 5 also, with 5 only. That means 3 into 5, 15, 10 into 5. Again, plus, the 5 becomes 15 means what happened? The 5 multiply with the 3. That 11 is also should multiply with the 3, 11 into 3. Plus, again, 3 into 5, 15. The 14 into 5, 70. Now what happens? See there, 10 into 5, 50, plus 11 into 3, 33, plus 14 into 5, 70. You should add all 50 plus 33 plus 70. How much? 153. 50 plus 33, 83. 83 plus 70, 153. 153 by 50. So what is the area of the perimeter of the triangle? 153 by 15 centimeters. Then what is the perimeter of rectangle? Next perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle means BCDE. BCDE. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Formula, you know, what we know that perimeter of the rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. First of all, I will find that I can calculate that what is the value of L plus B. L plus B means, L means what is the length? B 2 1 by 5 plus what is the breadth? DE 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. So 2 1 by 5 means mixed fraction. I will convert into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 by 5 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5 5 by 3. Now what is the LCM of 5 and 3? 15. And 15. And what is the LCM of 5 3? 15. Those two are co-primes. It won't go any table. So the LCM of co-primes, direct multiplication. 5 3s are 15. Yes, 5 becomes 15. 5 becomes 15. What happened? How it will happen that 5 into 3 15. Then the numerator part 11 also should multiply with 3 only. 11 into 3. However, we finish here like that same only. 11 into 3 plus 3 becomes 15. Again, what number should multiply with 3 to get 15? 3 5s are. Again, the numerator part also should multiply with the same number. 5. 5 into 5. 25. Now listen here. 11 3s are 33 plus 5 into 5 25. 33 plus 25. 33 plus 25 by 15. 33 plus 25 means what is that? 58. 58 by 15. Only L plus B. We want to find out perimeter 2 into L plus B. That means 2 into L plus B means 2 into, what is the value of L plus B? You got it? L plus B means 58 by 15. 58 by 15. 2 into 58 by 15. That means 2 into 58, what is that? 116. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. 116 by 15. 116 by 15 centimeters. So, here rectangle perimeter, what is that? 153 by 15 centimeters. And so triangle perimeter what is it get? 153 by 15. And rectangle perimeter what is that? 116 by 15. Which is the more? So 153 by 15 and 116 by 15. So like fractions, same denominators. So which numerator is the bigger one? That is the bigger one. Here 153 is there, here 116 is there. So 153 is more than 116. So the triangle perimeter is more than rectangle perimeter. How much? That is the difference. We have to find difference. This continuation, children. Continuation I am writing here. Now, whose perimeter is more? Triangle. So triangle perimeter is more than the rectangle perimeter. How much? The difference is equal to, what is the difference? Listen here. 153 by 15 minus 116 by 15. We have to subtract small number from a bigger number. And by 15, like fractions, both are same denominator. LCM 15 for 15, 15 only. And numerator subtraction, 153 minus 116. 153 minus 116. 153 minus 116. How much will coming? 13 minus 6, 7. 4 minus 1, 37. 37 by 15. That means 37 by 15. 37 by 15. Again, the 37 by 15 you can change into improper fraction. This is improper fraction. You can change into mixed fraction. 37 by 15 means 37. You can divide with 15. How many times it goes? 15 2 is 30. What is the remainder? 7. 2 7 by 15. What is that? 2 7 by 15. 2 7 by 15 centimeters. Listen here. 37 by 15 means 2 7 by 15 centimeters. Now children, look at here already. This is the problem. Once again I will explain that one. Listen here. There is one rectangle and another triangle is there. The triangle is overcome of the rectangle. They are given the measurements. What we have to find out here? We want to find out the perimeter of both triangle and rectangle. and also whose perimeter is more is asking. So I can find that I wrote all the process of that how to find out the perimeter of the triangle. The perimeter of the triangle you get it 153 by 15, and rectangle perimeter means 116 by 15. So which is a more? The triangle perimeter is more. The how much is means difference. Difference means you subtract small fraction from bigger fraction. Triangle perimeter 153 by 15 centimeters by rectangle 116 by 15. Subtraction means 37 by 15. That 37 by 15 means again mixed fraction 27 by 15 centimeters. Now yes, children, this is that problem of that one. Once again, I will go for that next problem. Okay, children. Now second one. Okay, children, this exercise is finished. That now there are some example problems are there. Page number 28. Page number homework. Page number 28. Page number 28. Page number 28. First example, second example. Third example already we finished. Page number 28. 28. 1 and 2 examples. 1 and 2 examples. Write in classwork notes. Write in CW. Children, page number 28, there are 2 examples, 3 examples are there. One example I already explained that one. You can write it also. Then you can finish also. Then still remaining 1 and 2 examples are there. That you can write in CW. The solution also is there in textbook. Okay, children. Then we'll go for second exercise. Second exercise means yes, multiplications. Second exercise, multiplications. Now exercise 2, multiplications. Multiplications of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. Before we going to second exercise, I will go for some example problems. How can you do multiplication? Listen here. Some example. Some examples. Some more problems. How you want to multiplication? Multiplication is very easy than that addition and subtractions of fractions. How you want to do multiplications? Look at here. Once I will go for that. First, I will go some examples. For example, look at here. 5 by 2 into 8 by 3 is there. 5 by 2 into 8 by 3 is there. We want to multiplication. 5 by 2 into 8 by 3. First, we will see here. First, you can observe that any numerator denominators are to be cancelled or not. Look at here. Once you observe this problem, 5 by 2 into 8 by 3, is there any possibilities of cancellation? You have bit cancellation in any numerator and denominator? Yes, is there. Some see that. The 2 and 8 to be cancellation. 5 and 3 it won't be. 2 and 8 are even numbers. It will be cancelled in by second table. 2 ones are, 2 fours are is cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 fours is cancellation. Yes, then now what is that? What is the thing? It won't go still. Now 5 into 4 by 1 into 3. 5 fours are 20 by 3 ones are 3. 20 by 3. This is the answer. If you want to change it, that can be change it into mixed fraction also. Very simple. 6 2 by 3. 6 2 by 3. Now one more problem. I will go for that. Very simple. 5 into 2 by 3 is there. 5 into 2 by 3. This how can you cancellation? 5 into 2 by 3. This one, here numerator denominator is the fraction. This is only whole number part is there. there is no denominator. If you want keep it, their denominator is as 1. Nothing will happen. 5 means 5 by 1. 5 means you can write as 5 by 1 also. So 5 by 1 or 5 both are same only. Yes. Now check it. Is there any numerator denominator is cancelled? Nothing. 5, 3, 2, 1. It won't go any tables 2, 1 and 5 and 3 also. Then what is the difference? Won't go any cancellation. The direct multiplication 5 into 2 by 1 into 3. 5 2s are 10 by 3. 10 by 3. That is the answer. You can change it. This is mixed fraction of 3, 1 by 3. Next, one more example. I will tell you. 2, 1 by 5 into 1, 2 by 3 is there. 1, 2 by 3. 2, 1 by 5 into 1, 2 by 3 is there. This can, how can you finish it? 2, 1 by 5 into 1, 2 by 3. This problem is, here mixed fractions are there. The mixed fraction you should change into, what is that? Improper fractions. That means 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 5 into 3 1s are 3 plus 2. 5 by 3. Listen here. Once again. 2 1 by 5 means 11 by 5. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 5 into 3 1s are 3 plus 2. 5 by 3. Now is there any cancellation? Is there cancellation? 5 denominator and 5 numerator, the same number to be cancelled. Then what will be the 11 by 3? What is that? 11 by 3. 11 by 3. And you can change into 3 2 by 3 can also. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 by 3. This is one. And one more model. Suppose half of 16 is there. Half of 16 is there. Half of 16 is there. This means what is the half means you can multiply it here. That means half way of half means into 16. 16 by 1. 16 by 1. Then is there any cancellation? Yes, same. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. Then what will be happen? And 1 into 8. 8. 1 into 8. 8. 1 1s are 1. 8 by 1. 8 by 1 means 8 by 1 means 8 only. So I can write no. 5 by 1 is 5 only no. That means 8 by 1 means 8 only. So these are the different models by multiplications of fractions, children. These are only for some more examples. Now we'll go for that exercise. Now we will go for that exercise problems. Okay, children. Up to here you can write it here. You can write in a classwork notebooks and practice more and more. Tomorrow we will start that second exercise. Tomorrow we will start the second exercise in next class. Thank you, children.